Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we break down the latest beauty products to help you make informed decisions. Today, let's dive into a product that promises to hydrate and repair your skin, something that I know a lot of us struggle with, especially as the seasons change. We're talking about the Refinee Hydrating and Repairing Gel Face Mask with argan oil for dry and damaged skin. If your skin is feeling parched, irritated, or just not quite its best, this could be the perfect addition to your skincare routine. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a review like this one. Now let's get into the specifics of this face mask. At its core, the Refinee Hydrating and Repairing Gel Face Mask is designed to deeply nourish and restore dry, damaged skin. One of the standout ingredients in this formula is argan oil. As many of you probably know, argan oil is packed with antioxidants and fatty acids, which help protect the skin from free radicals, those aging culprits that break down collagen and elasticity. It also helps to restore that youthful bounce to your skin, which is exactly what we're looking for, especially as we age. The formula also includes Amazonian dragon's blood, which is a powerful ingredient known for reducing redness and firming the skin. It's essentially like a soothing armor for your skin. If you're prone to irritation or redness, this could be a game changer. In addition, you've got resveratrol, another potent antioxidant that fights off environmental stressors and premature aging. This trio of powerhouse ingredients really sets the foundation for what this mask aims to do: combat damage, protect the skin, and restore a healthy, youthful glow. But that's not all. This mask also contains cucumber, chamomile, and aloe vera. These ingredients work together to cool and comfort your skin, providing that refreshing feeling we all crave when our skin is feeling a little tight or overheated. And let's not forget about panthenol, which helps your skin retain moisture, giving you that plumped, hydrated appearance. It's like a burst of hydration for your face in a jar. In terms of real-world testing, I've been using this mask a few times a week, and it's been easy to incorporate into my routine. After cleansing my skin, I apply a generous layer of the gel mask and let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. The mask has a cooling sensation right from the start, which I love. It feels incredibly soothing. It's not heavy or sticky, so I don't feel like I need to rush to rinse it off. My skin feels instantly more hydrated and calm after using it, and any redness I've had tends to fade. Now for the pros and cons. On the positive side, this mask is packed with skin-loving ingredients that are known to calm, hydrate, and repair. It's also incredibly lightweight, so it won't leave your skin feeling greasy or weighed down. The cooling sensation is a definite plus for those who love that refreshing spa-like feel during skincare. The only downside, though, is that because it's so hydrating, I don't recommend using it every day unless your skin is extremely dry. For most people, 2 to 3 times a week will likely do the trick. When it comes to value for money, this product is priced pretty reasonably, especially considering the premium ingredients it contains. Argan oil, resveratrol, and dragon's blood aren't exactly cheap, and this mask packs them all into a small but effective jar. If you're looking for a luxurious hydrating mask without breaking the bank, this is definitely a solid option. If you're looking for alternatives, there are a few masks on the market that offer similar hydration benefits, but they might not have the same powerful ingredients. If you're on a budget, you might want to check out other gel masks that feature ingredients like hyaluronic acid and aloe vera, which also provide hydration without the price tag of a more premium product. Now, let's talk about build quality and longevity. The packaging is sleek and the jar is small, but don't let that fool you. The product itself is potent. A little goes a long way, so you don't need to slather it on to see results. I've had mine for a couple of weeks now, and I'm only about halfway through the jar. I'm confident this will last me a good while, especially since I'm using it sparingly. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. So what's the final verdict? The Refinee Hydrating and Repairing Gel Face Mask with Argan Oil is a fantastic option if you're looking for something that hydrates, soothes, and repairs dry and damaged skin. With its blend of powerful ingredients and cooling effect, it's a must-try for anyone dealing with irritation or redness. That said, if you have oily skin, you may want to use it less frequently or go for something lighter. Thanks for watching, and as always, if you've tried this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.